Alright, that's about it for tonight. This is going to be a short video tonight because I really didn't feel like filming any of the other stuff. It honestly probably took about 6-7 hours. I've been working on it, just a little fine nibbing the corners and everything on the mud. But 20 minutes ago, Sean just dropped off that hood latch we just welded, and it's past 1 a.m. tonight, and I'm done for tonight. So shout out to Mud Duck 7. He sent me an email on the hood latch. He gave me the idea to cut it off like that. So thanks a lot, buddy. It worked out, and once I add the support bar, this one's kind of rusted and bent. I'll probably get another one from the junkyard. But once I have this mounted, top and bottom, this thing will be, oh shit, it's still hot. This thing will be really stout, because right now you can see how it flexes the core support a little bit. So anyway, like I said, sorry for the short video, but it's a lot of little stuff that I didn't get, and it was getting really dusty, and I didn't want to actually get any dust on the lens, which are already spots and shit, I guess from welding and stuff. So anyway, yeah, tomorrow I'll get at it and then start working on the other side. But tomorrow I'm actually going to mud this entire top like we were talking about, and we'll be deleting all these holes. I'm gonna keep this hole and this one just to break it up a little bit. Nothing even mounts there. I'm not even sure what year or model something would even go there on. So anyway, yeah, that's about it. A lot more mud work than I was thinking, but they were just so damn wavy I had to. So I wanted to leave this side just not touched, just so we can compare when I'm done. But I went ahead and threw some mud down here because I didn't want to waste it, and we're actually almost out of mud, so we're gonna have to get some more Monday because they're closed tomorrow on Sunday. So I went ahead and just threw the extra that I had on the board over here on this side. So hopefully you guys won't get mad at me about that, but it's not that big a deal. But you can see right here, right behind the shock towers, you can see how much stuff I already filled. And then I actually went ahead and just did it all the way down. It's smooth, even though you won't see that. That's where the exhaust and header will go. But you might as well do this one right, you know. So like I said, short video today, but it is what it is. So don't be mad about that. But tomorrow or Monday there should be another 20-minute video or so. So hopefully we'll get that side in primer. We're gonna seam seal soon, get it in primer, and then go to the paint store and get the color. So thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned.